Assalamu alaikum dear BDC alumni, this is Fatima Rashid and I just wanted to send a huge shout out to all of you for our upcoming alumni social, which is a collaboration of BOSS, that is Beacon House Old Student Society, and BDC, Beacon House Defence Campus. Well, it feels like just yesterday that you people were walking these hallways, filling our classrooms with laughter and unforgettable memories. It's been amazing to see you grow and succeed, and it's time for us to reconnect, reminisce all those memories that we've shared together. So mark your calendars for Saturday, 12th April 2025 at 6 p.m. See you all at Beacon House Defence Campus, and don't forget, this will always be your home. So till then, Allah Hafiz. See you all.
Beacon House Old Student Society, BOSS.